Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, I'm making a video just to say that, like, I'm very scared right now, because right now, since I live in Texas, there's a hurricane named Hurricane Harvey, and we're getting hit by it right now. Well, today's only the beginning, and we're gonna get hit twice. Today we're gonna get a bunch of rain. There's up to 4 foot of rain that's probably going to happen. It's raining so bad. It's been raining for about 5 minutes. There's puddles everywhere. Just very scary. I will be evacuating. I'll be evacuating with my cousin. And I'm glad that I am, because my dad's going to stay here. I don't know why, but it's very scary for me. I don't know that some people know this, but yesterday I was watching the news and I saw that it was going 10 miles per hour, and there's going to be up to 85 mile per hour winds, and that's pretty freaking fast. I could just jump and I'll be flying. Like, I'll be Superman 2.0. Oh. Right now I got you guys set up on a ping pong table. Oh. And there's a levee that protects us from all the water and stuff in the and if that thing breaks, there's going to be a whole lake up here, and there can be up to 10 foot of water just where we are, and our house would be we'll probably be floating down the streets. So we're going to Louisiana to the lake house, and yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video, guys, telling you guys about what's happening right now. If you guys, some people watch the news, you guys probably already know that there's a hurricane here. Hurricane's hitting, and it's called Hurricane Harvey. So yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you, and I'll probably make a video when it's all over and I come back, which will be in like 5 days, because I'll be in Louisiana all week. Until next time, guys, if there is a next time, see you guys later.